let's start off in child's pose. Taking the knees nice and wide and sending the hips back. Now, if hips are super tight, you could stay in sort of like a half child pose in between child's and table. Or you could turn over onto your back and then bring your knees into your chest. But if child's pose is comfortable, start to sit your hips back, extend your arms, let your forehead relax down onto the floor, maybe onto a block. So we're starting here in our centering pose. So we'll be here resting in stillness. Just begin to relax your body. Start to establish your breath rhythm. So we're breathing in and out through the nose. Relax through your shoulders, relax through your hips. And invite the breath into the deep space of the abdomen, all the way down, even down into the pelvis. So you're breathing deeply, nice and smooth. And then take a moment here. Notice how you feel right now, in this moment. Your body, your mind, any emotions. Just being present with yourself. You can start to sense as you breathe, there's that expansion that happens. So from the midline of the body, everything expands outward. As you exhale, everything contracts back inward. Good. And then really allow your breath to guide you as we start to move. So awareness stays on the breath. You begin to move the body with the breath. Good. Let's rise up. And from here, go ahead and tuck your toes, lift your hips. Let's come into downward dog. Take a moment to really spread through the fingers as you lift through the hips. And then just begin to move in the ways that feel good. So a little bit of pedaling the feet, shifting the hips. Any movements here allow you to start to wake up a little bit. Start to feel into the calves and the backs of the legs. Maybe you can shift the body a little bit side to side. Feel a little bit openness through your side body. Just a few more movements. And then on an inhale, let's go ahead and lower the knees. Find length through the front of your body. And then exhale, send your hips back towards child's pose. Inhale, rise up onto the shins and lift the arms overhead. Look up. And then exhale, back to child's pose. Inhale, all fours, lengthening the spine. And then exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, downward dog. Good. Get nice and long through the spine. Lift through your hips. And we're going to go back through that same little sequence that we just did. So we're going to go back and forth a few times. I'll guide you through a few more times, and then you'll do it on your own. So with your breath as you inhale, come back to table, lengthening the spine. And then exhale, child's pose. Inhale, rise up. Extend the arms as you look up. And exhale, child's pose. Inhale, all fours. Lengthening the front of the body. And then exhale Tuck the toes, lift the hips, downward dog. And again, inhale brings you down. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, rise, look up. Exhale, sit the hips back, child's pose. Inhale, all fours. Exhale, downward dog. Good. Do one more of those on your own, at your own pace, moving with your breath. Nice breath-aligned movement. So go when you're ready. We'll meet up in downward dog. We're going to stay there.